We are going to make an animated HP bar today. And yes, you guessed it. It is inspired by balloons, of course. So, it is how it is, you know. I think the HP bar in balloons is awesome. We just have a little bit of a problem. The UI is in the way in the game. And for us, it is going to be in the way too. So number one, for a cool HP bar, I wanted to Google pixel art HP bar. And find something that has some bubbles in it. Something that is cool and animated. Not something like this, you know, it doesn't look too cool. Like some of them look okay, but with bubbles would be nice. But I guess no one has something like that. Maybe blood? Can I Google this even? Just be careful here. Just be careful here. Okay. Damn, that looks really cool. Holy shit. Look at this, guys. That's a really cool HP bar, bro. Damn. What do you guys think about that? Should we do something like this? Damn. I think I want to do something like that. I think I found my HP bar. I mean, this looks cool too here, but that's not pixel art. Take a look at this. This one maybe here. Yeah, and then this is what it looks like in balloons. It has sections, and then it shows what we are killing here to the left. I can do something like an icon, of course, if I want to. And yeah. But the stuff is behind this HP bar. And so the way this works in balloons is this thing right here moves this to the left. So it pushes it to the left, which pushes it over the HP bar. And so we need to figure out a way in our game to have the... Oh god, why does it keep opening to the right, bro? Stop doing that. I told you to open on the left. What are you doing? You stupid? So I don't know what happened, but apparently after I changed screens, the game just is confused. Essentially, this stuff right here is in the way. What I can do is get rid of the enemies, the count. I can put the numbers. Yeah, I mean, I can put the numbers. I mean, maybe 1 out of 50 is already enough, and I don't need to say rounds. Not sure. And then those two, I can move them to the left, so I have space for the HP bar here. I'm not gonna put the HP bar on the bottom, and I will most likely remove the Diablo bar on the bottom altogether to have more vertical space. So we need to have the HP bar here in the middle, and this stuff needs to move. So whenever I put a unit down and select it, it needs to move like in balloons, but I don't want it so that if I select something here and then move this to the right, that it's over the HP bar. That sucks. I don't want that. So maybe we can find a better solution for this. Maybe move it down together, but that looks bad too. I want this to be big, the font, because I think it needs to be readable. You need to be able to tell what you have without having to squint your eyes. You know what I mean, guys? You need an icon? Hello, gentlemen. Hello, Romco. Good morning. Looks like a skull trying to do the same thing to the HP bar that you do with your microphone, Cakes. Okay, bro. Turn on safe search and be happy. Well, is safe search really safe? Like, is it not showing any blood and stuff? That was early, Inokai. I bet it wasn't even your record. I bet it wasn't even your record. I don't actually know, but it was early, yeah. What API or lib are you using in this game? I'm using OpenGL and FreeType and STB image. So basically PNG loading and TrueType font file loading. Your game is more cartoonish than this. It's way too cool for your game. Shut the fuck up, what's up? I think it's good enough, bro. What about a unique HP bar for each boss? Have it like a caricature and place it somewhere on the screen where you don't have a rows. So essentially this is what I thought I would do. Okay, we saw some really cool ones. This is my take on it. Watch. Let's make this a bit less loud. Where is this? Where's Ace Bright? Here. So this is what I thought would be a cool idea. Wait a minute. Shit. God damn it. Okay, it's bothering me. It's been bothering me. Okay. I think it's too bright. I don't think white is a good thing for me to wear on screen. Anyways, whatever. So essentially, I'm just gonna do it like this. This is my take. This is how Bloons does it. No. So this is what I wanted to do. I just wanted to draw something really simple, like a red bar. I don't know. Let's make it 8 pixels tall. Looks something like this. Maybe even darker. And then I wanted to draw. Maybe it's actually something like this. And then the bubbles are dark. I can't tell. So essentially something that's animated. With like a shadow at the bottom. You know what I mean here? Something like this. And so essentially I'm just animating a slice like that. Maybe don't make them all symmetrical though, Shrug. Well, we'll see how that looks, right? So let's make a new frame and then just move these bubbles up, right? So essentially... And this one here. This needs to move up by 2 as well. And then this one is gone. See this? And then, you know, I'm just gonna loop until... Okay, so in this frame, this thing is 2 up. And then I think... I have to see. This way moves up by 2. And then this moves up by 2 too. Then I think we need one more. Where this needs to move down by 2. So that's what it looks like here. But then that means this is gone. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is gone. Then, wait. This is the last frame, right? So this is 1, 2, 1, 2. This one here is probably gone. And then over here, we just need to make it so that these are moved up. I think that works. 1, 2. And then this is out. And then over here, need this thing. Move this 2 down. Excuse me. Oops. And so this is what it would look like. Look at the preview here. What do you think? You think it's cool? Middle top is not that good. Something about the... What is going on? Ah, what is going on? Sorry. I've been awake since 3 AM and I didn't have a single cough. It gets quite white. Widens too much maybe. Do some golems have... Do stone golems have blood? Iffy, this question, we don't need to answer that right now. Okay.
All chat developers.
Too much blabbering on stream. Okay, maybe we just need to add in some more dark spots, right? Look at that, boys. Would you look at that? Maybe. Oh, guys, I have an idea. What if I do this? Oh, guys, what if I do this? Oh, boys. Is this the thing? Is this it? Wait a minute. Is this it? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. 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 My goodness, wait a minute. Guys, I have something here, I think. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. Wait, that was too bright. Damn, look at that voice. That's crazy. Okay, wait. Yeah, I think I have it, guys. This is it. Damn. It's crazy how good this works. Wait. What should I do here?
Stone golems have bloodhound.
Yeah, they do. Hey, Zemeo, my man, are you using Unreal? No. I'm thinking about it. And hello, Lazy. Good morning. And what is this? How about WhatsApp suggestion of having some horizontal movement as well? Might be worth testing before spending more time refining this. It's actually easy to add horizontal movement when this is done, because all I need to do is just select them and then move them to the left and to the right. So we will be able to do this relatively easy. So the stone golem could have a stone bar and it cracks and crumbles away instead of a blood bar. Man, that would be cool, yeah, but I'm not that good of an artist, man. Like, what are you making me do? Come on. You can expect this from me. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. Whoops. I forgot the last one, apparently. That's nice. I think it looks nice. You alright? You guys? Take a look at this. Always the wrong one. And now we can add some horizontal movement. Let's begin from frame 1. So what you're saying is I should move this one to the right. Right? Like this. Or do I leave the bubbles the way they are and add some other things that are moving horizontally? Do stone golems have blood though, Cakes?
Stop fucking asking about stone golems and have them having blood, bitch, okay? Shut the fuck up and help me make a good bar, okay? Or I'm gonna ban you for 10 minutes this time, okay? Now.
Looks good. So guys, what do you mean by horizontal movement? FPS with Vulkan? Maybe. Maybe. But in order to write that, you would most likely spend half your life.
Do stone golems even have blood though at Cakez easy 77 HMM?
You know, I was expecting more from a person that is working on a game like Deep Rock Galactic Survivors. You know, I thought the more reviews on Steam that you have, the nicer you are. But I was wrong. You know, I was wrong. Next warning. People ignore the warnings anyways.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Is that why you have no reviews? Shut the fuck up. The game's not out yet, okay? So guys, what do you mean by horizontal movement? Huh? Like this? Or what do you mean? Swinging left and right a little bit, okay. Oh wow, that looks really cool. Okay. Okay. Let's begin by 1 again. Cool! Let's see. 5. Wait, shouldn't this guy spawn on 5? I feel like I'm missing something here. Yeah, he just appears. So we need to take this bad boy, go to 5, paste that, and then move this down by 2. Which means here so here we should have at least 2 black things. Oh bro, thank you very much for following, Timmy Water. Good morning. Either make the bubbles wiggle their way up, or maybe keep them like this and add 1 particles in the background. Yeah. Genuante, thank you very much for following too. And hello, Cakes Fat. Good morning. What a nice person, bro. Good morning, sir. I'm not sure what your vision with this is. What is your vision with this? My vision with this is an HP bar that is animated, that looks awesome and intimidating, and okay, and something like this, but in cooler, okay, and then whenever the boss, our stone golem, this bad boy right here, this guy, This guy right here that does the Kamehameha wave.
Am I so out of touch?
Right, this guy.
No.
Gabriel Ope Santos just subscribed. Big tick support for
He's
1
gonna have a
year.
big HP bar. And every time he hits 25%, he's gonna spawn mini golems. He's gonna, like, some stones fall off from him. Right? And then they are going to appear as golems on the road and they run towards the exit really fast. Gabriel, thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime, my man. Thank you. Thank you very much, bro. And Kagenet, thank you very much for following. Didn't you follow already, bro? Do the baby golems have boiling blood too? Criticans, good morning. Hello there. Oh, hi. So original, wow. You're banned. Fuck you. I don't want to be told that I'm unoriginal, okay? Shut the fuck up, okay? It might be a little bit copied from Bloons, yeah, but my HP bar is cooler, okay? No. And it does make sense in this case, okay? It's going to be an insane boss. This is badass, right? Yes, it is. Okay, so let's begin here. So we have this thing. It goes up, but maybe by the time it goes up, this should move one to the right.
So original. Wow.
Shut the fuck. Fuck you, man. And then just make this stay here. And then it moves back. And then maybe like that. Oh, we have to be careful. Actually, I can't do that because this repeats. So essentially, if I go for view and then do tiled mode and tile this in X, this is what the HP bar will look like. Oh, wow. We're gonna have to stagger some of these. Because it essentially, like, it's... They're all the same, essentially. But we're doing it in a second. So, for example, this is bad. What I need to do is essentially shift half of this. Shift, let's say, this part, or maybe this part here. How do I do that? Let's try this. Just move that. Wait, how do I do that? Like this, right? And then I go one frame behind. And I take that. And I move it here. And then I go... Wait, no, wait. I go one frame... Oh, shit. Yeah, wait. I go one frame behind. Extract that out and then put it here. And then I go one frame. Extract that out and move it here. And then I go one frame. Extract that out and put it here. Go one frame. Extract that out and put it here. Then I take this part. Put it here. Guys, am I smart or not? Look at this. Okay, now we already have some variation, but there needs to be more. So essentially those two start together, which is bad. So this is the middle part, essentially. We have to move this down. Which means, I guess we take this. Okay. Wait. No. Paste. Extract. Paste. Extract. Paste. Extract. Paste. Shit, I think I did a mistake. Did I? I think I have it now. Think. Okay, let's see. What does this look like? Look at this. You see this? And then I thought, it looks good. And then I thought, well, why not add in some alternations here? Like this. And then in the next frame, we do this. Let's just test that. Wait, so the other one was this, and we are alternating like this and this time. And we start here. Wait, here. 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 Boom, boom. Let's test this. I mean, I think this looks a bit odd, doesn't it? What do you guys think? Make it so it can loop, but also has a start and an end animation so you can delay it sometimes. I don't know about those. Yeah, the alternating dots don't look good anymore, yeah. Let's get rid of these. Okay. However, we can use some stuff that flows to the right, maybe. Now, how do I do that now? I have an idea. Make a new layer. Go over here and then disable the first layer. And then just have these move to the right. F3. Oops. I don't think it works. Yeah, they reset so they don't move fast enough. Which means they need to move at least 2. Which means this needs to go away, but then I'm confused. I'm confused now. So this is starting, then they move like this, then they move like this. They should move 2. They should move 2. Let's see. Okay, let's see how that looks. Well. It shows the frame before. How do you set it to set the to show the frame before? It's F3. You can use F3 to show the frame. Maybe a view 1 pixel bubble. What is this? Is the German on his period? What is this? Blue Oak, you're getting banned, bro. 5 minutes. Hi, Blue Oak, careful. Cakez is quite moody today and bans people for no reason. Yeah, sure. Bans people for no reason. Maybe some bubbles should be faster and some are slower. Yeah, Janis, you're right. You have a good point there. So, for example, the bubble in the middle could be a bit faster. Let's see here. This case, I don't want that. Yeah, looks good here. This case, I don't want that. This case looks okay. This case looks okay. Yeah, looks okay too. That looks okay too. Hey, Kapushman, good morning. How are you doing? Okay, let's do some more. Maybe a couple of dots. move those dots by 2 as well. So then that would be here. 1, 2. 1, 2. Two. I think I need to move further. I don't think it is enough. I wonder. Let's see. Actually, I think this works. Okay, now we're making the one thing be a bit faster. This one here. We're gonna spawn it. We're gonna make it run 3. Essentially. So instead of this, we have this. Here. Wait a minute. So this is where it is, right? It's here. So it is 1 higher. Like this. And then in this frame, it needs to be 2 higher. Let's turn off F3. And in this frame, it is in the same position. It needs to be 3 higher. 1, 2, 3. So already here. And then that means it looks like this. And then in this frame, this one's completely gone. But it's already on the bottom. Ah, shit. I can't make it loop like that, bro. Because I need to make it either twice the speed or it doesn't work. Because the animation loops in a certain amount of time. So instead of... Wait, how do I do that then? You'll need more frames to align them. Yeah, I will need more frame, not just 5. Yeah, so because if I have made it for 5, right, it works for 5. But now, since I make one pixel faster, he will loop in 6 or something. Or in 7, but he won't loop in... Or he loops in 4, let's say. But I have 5 frames. Yeah. Or, actually, I think it works. You know what I'm gonna do? This thing here, right? Wait a minute. Boom. Is this moving? Wait. Am I stupid? 3 pixels? Wait. Huh? That's just 2 pixel movement. This should supposed to be... Eh? Wait a minute. This should be here. The fuck is this? What did I do? Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Let's do it again. Wrong layer, yeah. So this is where it spawns. And then we move this up so that it moves 3 pixels. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So that works. And then from this position, which is here, it needs to move up 1, 2, 3 pixels. So 2 more pixels from here. Which makes it look like this. And then in this frame, it's gone. And we just wait. 1, 2, 3. So in this frame is when it will spawn. Either that or use shaders for the effect, but shaders come at the expense of performance. I think mine was better before. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, guys. It's fine. Yeah, you almost don't notice it being faster. So this looks better. It's fine. It's fine. We keep it like this. Now, we need to build... We need to build something like this. Let's make a new layer. I need to build a wooden border for this. Okay. Wrong. Let's move this in the middle here. I want to build a wooden border around this so that it looks cool. And I want to use my roots, I think. Those. What? Do I want to use this? Wait a minute, we can do this here. Okay, let's see. I want this to have a really cool border, Shift N. Hey! Oh shit, you're right. Needs to be an all... How do I draw to all layers? Like this? No. How the fuck do I do this? Guys, how do I draw in all layers like this? Does someone know how to use Sprite? Any Sprite pros here? What do you guys think? Seems good enough. Yeah, I think this is cool, right? It's good, but balloons is great. Boiling blood? Yeah, something like that, exactly. Bloody intensifies. What do you want to achieve? Well... Yo, hello there, Jim. Good morning, bro. How's it going? Welcome, sir. I want to achieve a really cool looking HP bar. And let's see here. How do I draw in all of these at the same time? Like this? Oh. How do I do this? Can I not just draw in layer 3? I know there's a way to do this, Sprite. I know this. How? I think Alt F4 and draw. Ah, yeah, really? That's Alt F4? Looks more like a blood bar than lava, unless this is the effect for the boss. Then it doesn't work. Yeah, it's supposed to be blood. Mm-hmm. Well, fine. Just gonna draw shading. Fuck you, man. Just fuck off, asshole. Those two together. No, those two together, please. It's too bright. Of course. Too bright. What about this?
Cakez, I have bad news. I just got your wishes for Christmas. Sadly, releasing Tangy Defense is an impossible task, even for me. Good luck.
Ho ho ho!
Shut the fuck up,
Yeah, what's the monster doing?
Just
Huh?
wait, bro. Just wait, brother. Just wait. You guys will all shut up, you know, when my demo is released. Okay. And then you'll see what a good game will look like, okay? Just wait. And it looks like shit! Fuck! Sorry. It's kind of annoying. Ooh, that looks a little bit better. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I wanna do normal simple ink. That looks bad now. Right? Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe it does not look bad. What do you guys think? Guys, what do you think? This looks more like...
Do stone golems have
Lol, I was about to say, I like your pixel art
but
cake.
if you give the stone golem a lava health bar, maybe it would work.
Oh, you're so lucky that you're paid to winning, you know. I would have banned you for this right now. You're so fucking lucky, brother. Like, it's not even funny. Just wait, you know. God, that looks awesome. Not awesome. Terrible. From what I've found on Google, you still cannot draw on all at once. Your best option is creating a new frame, draw on it, and then duplicate it, Cakez. Fuck. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, I have to say. Alright, so this is gonna be the... Well, maybe we can make it a bit more wavy. Like that, maybe? Oh, I have an idea. I have a cool idea. What if we do this? Nah. What if we... Wait a minute. That's why. I need these colors. Why don't I have these colors? Wait a minute. Save palette. Assets. Color palettes. Save that. To the Vampire Survivors. Color palette. Yes. And then a youth. Let's save it first. To assets, a sprite, HP bar. Close it. And then open it again. Wait, no, that's fine. We load the palette. Of course. Vampire Survivors. Nice. Okay, because I need this. I think. It gives it a little bit more shading. You see how cool that looks? And now with the shading in place, which, you know, doesn't need to be perfect, by the way, we can add a tiny bit of highlight. Just a tiny bit. That looks shit. That looks like ass. Okay, sorry, it looks really bad. Fuck. It's fine. It's fine. We just do shading. But maybe... Wait a minute. Because we are pro. Hello, Cakez. How are you doing today? Hey, Weber. Good morning. I'm doing very good. I want to make a really cool HP bar for the boss today. And then make the boss spawn additional ads whenever he hits 75, 50, and 25% HP. And create an effect whenever that happens. So we are currently working on the HP bar, and this is what it currently looks. Let's just not look at it right now, because I'm currently working on these frames here, and they are not done yet, unfortunately. Well, almost. Raid Shadow Legends stream? No, we're not gonna do a Raid Shadow Legends stream. I was only sponsored once, you know. If they give me money, sure, why not? But no, not at the moment. Let's make this a bit brighter. Like this. Maybe if it's more subtle. Yeah, almost. Okay, and now the final touch, guys. The final touch is this. And you think I'm gonna draw these myself? I have drawn them already like 10 million times. These little leaves here. They are in sprites, right? Yes. So we need to go into this layer. Yoink one of these bad boys. And then we just put them in here. Oh, this looks so fucking amazing, bro. This looks so amazing. Wait, you gotta be careful not to put it in the same position. But actually, I think this is a good position here.
Am I so out of touch?
Is it though?
No.
Arcane TD just subscribed. Big tick support for 2 years. Greetings from the Munsterland.
My man, thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Wait a minute. Like this. Maybe here? Here? Nah, it's gotta be here. Here. Yeah. One more.
Hey Sprite, what is this shit?
I can't rotate. Oh my god, I cannot rotate. It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna draw one leaf ourselves, it's fine. We can't see anything here. Yeah, something like that, I guess. Cool. Nah, we do it like this. Okay, so that's the HP bar. This is it on top. And let me quickly get rid of the bottom here. Essentially all of these. Wait, I missed one. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like on top. Right? Damn! What do you guys think? Epic, right? Cakez mirror? No, I wanted to rotate it by 45 degrees, not mirror, you know. Okay, so now that's top. We can try to put it on the bottom too. Maybe, just alternate that a bit. You know, so it doesn't look the same. Yeah, what do you guys think? Sorry. What do you think, guys? Edit the grass on the bottom, so you think I should have other grass on the bottom? That one sticks out? Okay, so you mean like put it, I don't know. Like maybe here. Right? And then we just have this. I feel like that's a bit too far. "15:3 rule is effective." What is that? 15:3 rule? What does that mean? And then I guess we get rid of this right here. And maybe use a different leaf. Different type of leaf. Oh, I see. Maybe there shouldn't be a highlight here. Fuck! They're in the same position, I just noticed. That looks bad too. Wait a minute. That looks really bad. I need a different type of leaf. Change the form of the bottom leaves a bit. Yeah. I'm working on it. Wait, we're getting a different one here. Copy pasted a lot of these too. Yeah. What about? Let's get that one here. For the top part. Wait a minute. Where can we put this? Can't really tell what's going on here. It needs to be a bit brighter. I think that's too bright. Fuck! It's too bright. God damn it. Also, it's too long. Now it looks like shit. I'm just gonna try it. Hey? Are you stupid? The thing is, this green is too dark. This green here. There's too much contrast. So I would need a dark green that is not as dark as this. So I can see the difference between these. So essentially, we need to make ourselves a color here. That's not as dark. That's already too dark. That's not different enough. Maybe this better. It's a bit better. Okay. I can't tell what's going on here. Okay, I think this is fine. What do you guys think? Oh, wait. Of course. I spent too much time on this, did I? What do you think, guys? Look the left, not right. Look on the left. I feel like this entire thing needs to move down a bit. So, if I do a selection and then hopefully I select all, move this down, I feel like it needs to move down a tiny bit. So I can see more. I think the constant stream of bubbles is weird. You think it should be slower? Put it in the game? Yeah, let's put it in the game. In order to do that, I need to put one more, maybe darker layer. Actually, I can't put a darker layer, so it's just gonna be 2 layers here. Like that. But I would like it to be a bit darker red. Just a tiny bit darker. Just a tiny bit darker. So that it gives the illusion of maybe a bit more. Hello there, very much Velma. Good morning, bro. Oh, by the way, Arcane2D, thank you very much for subscribing earlier. Thank you, bro. Welcome. I really appreciate it, man. I don't know, I think I like it. I have to say. We could maybe use some dithering to make it look like it's... Of course, every part needs it. Of course. I don't know, man. I like it. Cool. Let's save it and then export. Cool. Export. Open recent, and then we are going to open the HP bar. Copy. And where do we have space to animate this? Here? Wow, it's perfect. Fits 16 by 16. But it doesn't fit here. Oh, I think it fits here, actually. Yeah. Cool. Then we can get rid of these. There we go. Look at this, guys. This is our HP bar. And the cool thing is, I can just extend this bar. I need a beginning. And I need an end. You know, the end would probably be something like... I don't know. Something like this, you know. Nothing very fancy. But just, you know, some stuff like that. Yeah. We'll have to see, you know. Maybe make the left or right side of the bar a little rounded. Yeah, I will. These will be endpoints, essentially. So, what I would need to do here is, let's say, what is this? 8x8? Yeah, so in this 8x8 box, this is the space I have. I would have to be careful not to make it too big, because ultimately... Can you change the song, please, Cakez? Yeah, sure. Sorry about that. Totally forgot. I don't know how I would do this part here. It can't be too much. It can be at most a pixel. So essentially it can be at most this. And then it needs to look really cool too. So it needs to be a banger of a bar.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Maybe that. And so it can be at most this. Something like that. Nothing fancy, because the moment I have less than 100% HP, I need to have the same thing as an empty. Why is it always... Is she always crying like... Bro! You know, maybe like that even. That's cool. Damn, that looks awesome. God, I'm so good! Okay. Let's put this here. What is she doing to the baby? What is this woman doing to the baby? Yeah? Do we need to swat Cakez to save Zoe? No, 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 it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It is fine. Like, shut the fuck up, man!
Oh my god.
It's fine. It's all fine. Guys, I can't hear the songs. They are so quiet. Or is it just my microphone? Get banned from household? Okay, so what do you guys think here? It's the same type of leaf. Let's get a cooler looking leaf, right? For the end bar here. Let's yoink some. This one looks cool. Let's get that. Yoink. And then maybe... Ooh, what about that? That's a big boy. Let's get a big boy here. Come on. Here we go. Shift H. Maybe that's a bit too big, right, huh? Is that even something you say? Right, huh? That's not English, right, guys? That's not English. Guys, I think I'm spending too much time on this. I really am. I'm spending too much time on this. Oh, wow, that looks good. I feel like it draws too much attention, like this nipple here. Like, no, I think we need to make it this. It draws too much attention. Fine, like that. Don't draw too much attention. There we go. Alright, that's fine. Now, we have our first endpoint. Will this be used for all bosses, Cakez? Yes, it will be used for all bosses for now. I don't want to... Guys. The important thing is here, is this. Have the HP bar there, but don't spend too much time on the UI, spend more time on the gameplay. I always fall into the trap of making the UI look as cool as possible, and then I sit there, have a cool UI, but my game sucks. We're not gonna do that! Okay, we're going to make this now. Let's see, boss HP bar. This guy, wow, this guy's been running the entire time, and he's only here. How fucking slow is he? Damn. Anyways, so we're going to draw the HP bar. The cool thing is we can just leave it open and add it in right now. First thing is, where do I put it in terms of assets? Finally, both can suck after stop spending time on UI. Metal Storm, I don't appreciate your first message after a while. Do you have something to say for yourself? To say for yourself? Is there something you want to say? Maybe you had a bad week or something? No? No? You know, the problem is that you are not protected by pay to win. You're not a sub, and you haven't donated any bits by referencing a toxic message.
Is gifting 1 sub to the community.
No, that doesn't help him. No. I lost my dev badge, Sag. What is a dev badge? What is a dev badge, guys? Is that something new? How do you lose that, though? Cakes, you need to be a dev to get one, don't worry. Okay, that's actually toxic. And, well, 8 months subscriber, not enough pay to win. No. They got rid of the game dev badge. Ooh, I see. Fine. It's only one negative message. Well, it's fine for now. It's okay for now. For now, it's okay. One more? You're gone. There was a game dev badge? Yeah, apparently there was. UI sprites. There we go. So, sprite. UI, boss, HP, bar. There we go. So that's it. Let's say UI. Oops. Roots. There we go. Bro. Double JT. Thank you so much for subscribing. For following, bro. Hello there, sir. So what do we have? We have... How much is it? Actually. What was the size of this? Oops. 16, right? So 16 by 32. Yeah. And then how many frames did we have? Is it 5, right? Yeah, 5. And where is it positioned? 1168. And 80 down. Okay, cool. So now we have it in the game. I need to draw it when a boss is in the game. And for that, I need a new component. So we already have the component boss. Which would mean the boss is... I'm gonna keep using the... So, like, here's what I want to do in the future, guys. And maybe this is good or bad. I don't know. So right now I use the component boss to drop items in a game. So whenever I spawn, and here is an example, it looks very much like Vampire Survivors. Take a look at this guy, this red skeleton right here. I'm pretty sure those of you who played Vampire Survivors have seen this color as being one of those stronger monsters that you defeat, and then you get a cool box. For me, that's the same. And this guy currently has the component boss. And that is a component I use to drop a chest. For example, component boss. Over here. Wait a minute. Here. This is when I drop a chest. Okay, so this gives me items. These items can then be used to strengthen my units, and later on I will have item sets where, let's say I have a collection of 50 I'm not gonna have 50 swords. 10 swords, and you can choose 3 out of those swords to put on your character to equip, essentially. However, I think I want to add a loot table to monsters. So I will say that this monster has the following loot table, let's say ID, and then he can drop these particular items and nothing more. And so that will allow me to have very, very, very strong bosses, like, you know, the golem, that allows me to drop higher ranked weapons by chance. You know, like with like a distribution. And so, actually, so that's why the component boss is used by, because this guy is weak compared to like the golem boss. So this guy's not really a boss, but I guess he's a strong enemy or something, right?
Yeah.
Are there levels with multiple bosses, Cakez? Let's talk more progress. Let's talk more progress. Hey, Cakez.
What the fuck?
Let's talk more progress. Hey, Cakez, let's talk more progress.
Yeah, I'm working on it, bro. I'm explaining. You know, it's important to explain things. Really important. Okay, brother? Now that being said, I think what we can do is draw entity. No, draw enemy. There it is, yeah. Draw enemies. Draw heroes. Draw game. Proton Mart, hello there, sir. What are you trying to do? Hey, am I stupid? When do I draw the HP bar? Hey? Am I stupid? No. Wait, that's not... Dropper. Yeah. That's not here. Unlocked. Rendering. There it is, yes. Here. Not the input. Not the in-level UI. Moving, yeah. You draw the HP bar and line 69. Yeah, okay, so because I have a lot of... Yeah, okay. There it is. Enemies. Okay, so what I want to do here is, if the enemy, if has components, enemy.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh. Component boss. So, and hopefully I only have one boss in every level, right? So otherwise I'm gonna draw 2 HP bars. That's bad. Static. No, actually. So what we're gonna draw is, first we have the middle position, right? We're gonna draw a sprite. A UI sprite, essentially. In the UI, of course. That is a sprite. UI HP bar. Boss HP bar. In the middle, so world size.x divided by 2, that would be the middle, and then 20 pixels down. Then of course we need a size. It needs to be a custom size, which let's try to draw 200 pixels. And then of course the other size is 32. Let's test that. And so since we currently have a boss in there, yeah. Huh? Oh, it's 16 pixels tall. It's not 32 pixels tall. I see. Wait a minute. Yeah. It was 16 by 16. I see. Those burps. Not toxic, but if you hit 10k followers on Twitch, can you do this? With the ball. With the sitting ball. Ah, no, I can't. And hello, Ariel. I will definitely fall down, hit my head, and die if I do this. And by the way, I missed some message on YouTube. But that was just due to me, not to Top Chat being asshole. Let's see. I'm a hobby dev, and the way you do this is so confusing. If you work with a real engine, do you do everything so different, really? Now I'm talking about the way you're coding this. 5 lines of code in an hour. Are you a productive day in the life of Cakez? Oh wait, actually that's Inukai. Sorry, wrong one. The entire game CPP. Yeah, I'm coding the entire game in one file at the moment, yes. But that's just me. Okay, so if you're watching someone else that's a C++ developer, they will have more than one file, okay? I just don't see a reason to have 2 files because, well, I'm programming one game, right? So why would I have 2 files? That doesn't make any sense. This whole game is a single file, not for practical. Actually, it is. And so what we have here now, and let's move this down a bit, because it looks like ass, if we can't see it, is the HP bar. But it's stretched, right? It is stretched. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I can save you from that problem. We have a little rendering option that I implemented, which is render options, repeat in X. Now watch what happens. Why is it never working? And by the way, Travis Roman, I saw your message. Can I read the message on stream about the short? I wasn't able to fully check it out. How's it going, bro? I saw the message. Can I check? I wanted to check it out on stream, or is it like something that I should only watch off stream? It's stream safe? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll watch it in a second. Wait, guys, it's fine. Now fix it. Okay, I thought I had implemented X and Y. Apparently it's only Y. Wait a minute. You think I'm bluffing? We have Y. Let's see. Repeat. So I'm pretty sure I forgot X, right? Yes, I just forgot X, guys. It's fine. We just do the same thing, but put X everywhere. So okay, just another if check in a shader. X, scale factor, texture coordinates, yeah. X. X. It's gotta work, right? X. 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 Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna save the shader and it's gonna work. You ready? Why? Come on! No, wait. It wasn't able to load it. Fuck. Why? Wait, no, wait, that's fine.
Gotcha, bitch.
Do you see that? Huh? Take a look at this. Doesn't it look nice? Now watch this. Watch this. Looks bad. Looks better. Looks better. Just wait, bro. Just wait. Now look at this. We can animate this. Too. We do a const float t, which is game state real time. I'm using real time for now. Actually, it can't be const because we're gonna do animate, right? So int any animation index is animate using t as a value, so we like it gets supplied here, and then What do we have? The frame count, yeah, that would be the HP bar dot frame count. HP bar sprite, right? Let's call it sprite. Dot frame count. And then the duration. How long does it take to, let's do 0.5. So a sprite is get sprite sprite UI boss HP bar. Okay, what? That's a really cute picture you guys have here. What is that? It's really cute. Almost as cute as Zoe. No way. Zoe is 10 times cuter. Alright, look at this, guys. It's animated now.
Gotcha, bitch.
I'm not supplying the animation index. Wait, I'm not supplying the animation index. Wait a minute. Guys, I forgot. It's fine. Watch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Can you make each segment randomly have a different animation index offset? No, because it repeats. Unfortunately, I can't. Andy in tech and Chet Show and Abdel Rauf. Thank you guys for following. Hello there, Rauf. Good morning. Still looks good. Watch this. Animation too fast? Well, animation too fast? Fine. You want it over 1 second? Sure. Oh, wow. Guys, is this good? Too fast though? No, it's not. Apparently, he is a masochist and only reads the negative comments, so people does it for attention. No. So you can select the whole statement and find and replace all .y to x. Okay, 1 hour for this. Is this live? Yes, this is live. Why is chat full of haters? Lol, I'm new to stream. Polev, because these guys are mad and jealous of my cool looking game. That's why. Make it like 0.3. Still too fast? This is still too fast. You think? Cakes, can't you add an offset of the start frame for each segment? Wait, did I read this already? I think I did, right? It looks a bit like it's a rotating pipe. I don't think it is, bro. I don't think it is. Maybe halfway in between where it was before. It's too slow?
Great to be back to my favorite Vulcan stream.
Hey, Colingry, good morning.
Please keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
What about this?
Big retard, don't help.
That is a rotating pipe? No, it's not a rotating pipe. What are you guys saying? Where do you see a pipe? I see blood. Boiling. The diagonal makes it look like it's rotating? No. I can see it now. I see it too, but it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Why do you even have blood when all your enemies are skeletons and golems?
Don't fucking question my design, okay, bro? It will be blood because there will be more enemies, okay? Now shut the fuck up and let me continue my HP bar, okay, bro?
It looks like it is rotating. Is it definitely not boiling? No, I don't agree. Maybe it's just me, but for me it doesn't work regarding some of the colors with the background stuff, but maybe it's just... What do you mean? I actually saw rotate on question. No, guys, I think you guys are coping. No. All right, so we draw this, and then we also draw, like, this is the bar, right? And then this is the left side here. Which we need to draw two things. And we need, actually, a vector 2 const. A bar position. Oops. And then we need to const vector 2 bar size. I hate how I always misspell this shitty word. Bar position, bar size. The indentation is crazy. This is my level of programming skill. So the more indentation, the higher X programmer you are. Okay, so that's how the 10X programmers were born. If you don't know what that means, you're just not high enough level of a programmer to understand. Okay. You know, sir, you have a long way to go still. That's fine. Sprite. Oh, we don't have the sprite in yet. Right, so where's this? This sprite right here, the nipple. And we need 2 versions of this. How big is that? 6. We need this one like that, and then an empty one. That I guess is just dark. Right. Oh yeah, right. I'm so stupid. I need to make the bar. I need to disconnect the bar. I need... You're right. You sure that the indentation is not the number of programmers it takes to maintain your mess? No. I don't really have a big mess in the game, to be honest. It's really easy to read. I don't really think this self-bar works. It could be a good screen border for a Christmas theme, maybe. Why? I think this works. What do you mean? Guys, I think it will work. Trust me. Okay? Looks Christmas-like? I like it's a good health bar. Yeah, I think it's agree. No, you guys just want to agree with him because you want to disagree because you're contrarians. But that's fine. We need to do something else though, unfortunately. I need to disable these 2 layers and export this. And then, yeah, export that as HP bar. And that is the roots. Yes. And then instead of the roots, we need this. Is this animated properly? Yes. So that would be the HP bar. That's actually the HP bar. Now, why do we need these 2 not in the same image, but separated? Because I need to remove from the HP bar, but I need to keep the roots. Which means we also need a background, I guess. But we'll just draw a black background or something. I don't like the bar too complicated. Looks like strawberry with the leaves.
It is supposed to be a boss bar, you moron. Can't you understand the difference between a normal monster and a boss bar?
Why don't you understand this? People. Anyways, so let's just move on. You guys will see how it looks. It's gonna look awesome in the game. Trust me. It will look awesome, okay? Just wait. So we need these 2 next to each other, which means, unfortunately, I can't really put it here because I would like to put this next to each other. Man, it was so cool in this position. And I can't put it... Maybe I can put it? No, like this is... No, this will... No, I can't do that. Can I? Maybe I can. Let's see. So this part... Wait, actually? Yeah, I'm not using this. Get the fuck out of the way here. Like somewhere where I don't need you. Here. Did you know if you have bubbles in your blood, you die? So, like, I was thinking about this, you know, when Zoe was in the hospital. You know those sections they put in you, like those needles? They put a needle in your hand like this. And then they like, once they have like an opening or something, they put in like some sort of cable that stays there. It's called Zugang, yeah. And then they put a bunch of Kleber in Englisch halt, ne? Drauf, damit das hält. And so you have this opening here. And to me, it always looked like there was air in these tanks. And then it would just flow in. I don't know how that works. But for me, when I saw this, I was stressing out like crazy. I was like, bro. But nothing ever happened, you know? Like, my wife is alive and baby too. So it must be safe. But it was crazy, man. It was actually really crazy. Please tell me this works, man. Shit. Like, which one is it though? So how many pixels? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pixels, okay. 1, 2, 8, 3, 4. Okay, so we have this now. Then get...
Gotcha, bitch!
Huh? Morgen zum Kinderarzt? Warum? Schon wieder? Okay, alles klar. Spät, okay. Yeah. I was wondering how he was going to do this without disabling the blood layer. Yeah, I forgot. It was my fault. Should have noticed that. But yeah. I need to do it like this, of course. So what we have here is the HP bar here, and then the roots down here. Which means we have to quickly update Cakez. Oh, Head Foodera. Thank you very much for following, bro. Welcome. I appreciate it, man. Hello, sir. Yeah, wait. So with the HP bar is here, and then I guess we call this HP bar roots, right? Just with underscore roots. And then one of them is... Where's that? 1184. And then instead of 80, that was... What was that? 64. Then this is also 1184, but it's 80. And then actually the same. Okay. Cool. Now that we have this, we want to draw the HP bar and, of course, the roots. And for that, we need to make the roots on top. Which is what we do with this thing here. And then there is no animation index for this. And that thing here is smaller, essentially. Multiplied by the HP percent of the boss. And then the bar size.x.y. Now, for now, we are just going to make this a float. That is... How do we do this? Fmod? No, wait, that doesn't work. Oh, wait, it does. Fmod F, I think? Does that work, guys? Fmod F? And then game state. Real time. Multiply that by 0.2. Guys, how does Fmod F work? Float HP percent is this. Don't I need like 2? Yeah, and then so what is Y? What is X and... Like, who fucking names these? This is... Like, you guys remember the video that we watched on YouTube about naming variables? This is literally the standard library, and it says X and Y. So what is X in this case? Is X the time that I want to fmod, and then Y is the thing that I'm fmodding by, so it will be by 1 second or by 2 seconds? Doesn't make any sense. And then I guess we'll do 0.1, so it takes 10 seconds to get a full percentage. And then the bar size in X will just... There will be a Skyrim bar for now, essentially. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a Skyrim bar now. And then also... Where's this? Yeah, I did build. Pretty sure we need to export this too. You will also need something for the bar behind the blood. For when the boss starts losing HP, yeah. It will just be a dark quad. Cakes, what happened to your audio guy? I didn't see him in a while. Did he break up with you? He's probably taking a break. Oh! Ho, 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 ho! Look at that! Now, all we need to do is move this bar from left, make it stay on the left. Not like a Skyrim bar. How do we do this? It's like this position here that we need to change. Oh god, it's gonna be math. So I know that we need to have 16 because that's the size, or let's say the HP bar sprite.size.x divided by 2. Because that would be the minimum. Alright, and then we need to like... Wait a minute, how do we do this? Oh, god, so we are in the middle, right? X. Oh god, I hate this, bro. Is it always gonna be math? Okay, we'll figure this out. So we need to make a pirate software painting here. Okay, guys, so we have the bar position, okay? Bar position on X, okay? That is in the middle right now. This position right here. Let's make it on right. This is here. And this is... We're only taking a look at X, okay? So that's, let's say, 200. Okay? And around that position, we draw in thicker those roots. Okay, because every quad that I draw is centered. Okay? And the center for this quad is here. That's the center. Center. Okay. Now the HP bar. When it's very small, is here. To the left. So what I need to do here is... I need to know the size of this thing. Let's say this is 100 pixels. 100 here. Okay, it's 100. Which means half of this is 50. So wait, we need to do 100. No, 200. Minus 100 divided by 2, maybe? That would be 150. That would be here. Right. And then this is the left portion. So this is the left. Left side. Then we need to add to that. We need to take the left and add to that. Right? The percentage of the HP. So HP percent. Oh, shit, I just drew an H. HP percent multiplied by the size. So by 200, right? Correct? Because then the more HP I have, the further this X moves to the right. Correct? No, actually that needs to be divided by 2. Right? Wait, no, not times 200. Sorry, I'm stupid. Times 100. But that needs to be divided by 2. Correct? I'm a programmer of Belarus.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, Belarus. What is this? Hello, Eris. Thank you very much for following. And Fudora, thank you very much for following earlier. Good morning, chat chitters. Oh, Kubele, good morning. Wait, is that a Belarus? Belarus? Is that a game? Is that a game? Is that a game? Oh, that's just a company. No. Whatever that is in English. Ein Land in English halt. Not a company. You know? Shut the fuck up, okay? It's not a company, of course. Okay, guys, we're trying this. So, what did we just do? We did divide. Okay, wait. So we do a const. Half size is bar size of x divided by 2. Okay, so what we need to do is bar position dot x minus half size plus HP percent multiplied by bar size dot x by the half size. I think. Please tell me that works, man. Please tell me that works. It's gonna work, right? It works! Huh? 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 Now watch this.
I love Cakez, dirty dog fucker, no soap, no skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge, no games released, no good text, no code, dumb idiot, react, Andy, fuck off, stop streaming, okay champ.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I can't believe you're a mod. Look, what do you think about this HP bar, Mr. TCAP? Huh? Oh, I have an idea. I have a cool idea. What about instead of palette 01, palette 00? Make it even darker. Oh, dude! Look at that, boys! Wow! Damn! Huh? Okay, now let's add the end in. Right? And the cool thing is, watch this. I can just make it smaller. Cool. Look here. So you think 200 is a bit too much? How about 120? Look at this. It just works. This actually just works. You see this? Oh, by the way, it needs to be a multiple of 16. What is a multiple of 16 that looks cool, guys? Let's see, calculator. 16 plus 112. 128. Should we try 112 first and then 128? Let's see. The reason why I say this is because this is abgehackt here. And I need to have a perfect ending here. Because I will draw this part in now. And that is basically the end of the HP bar. So we're gonna call this HP bar roots end. That is just gonna be, wait, that one is 6, right? 6 pixels only. And 16 pixels tall. 96, I know that already. And what is this position? 1248, okay. 1248. Let's see, how about a variable instead of a hard-coded number in case you need to change it later, Cakez? But I mean, that's a variable. Like, if I want to change it, I just go into the code here, change this number to 28, do Control S, then Control Shift B, and it's changed. Like a variable, where would I put that? Because like it already is a variable, you know? I was AFK. Is he still working on the health bar? It has been 2 hours. Is he still working on the health bar? It's only 2 hours. Yeah, because the health bar is important, okay? It's supposed to add to it. And you know what I'm gonna add to this health bar as well? Those of you who know, they know. Those of you who understand, they know. A few people will know if they're looking directly. Yoinking from my Lundum Dare game now. Yeah. I mean, every time the boss takes damage and he loses a percentage, the bar will shake, yeah. It will shake more towards the end. Yes. Why are you saying Lundum? Lumdum? Lundum. Ah, Ludum. I see. You'll never change it? So no progress in the game that might give HP, that give more HP, for example, or other creatures, players, and so on. Oh, if a unit has more HP, then the bar will still be the same size. It will just display a different number. I might display a number here in the bar. And if I need to make the bar bigger for this, then I'll just do that. Guys, remove the emote. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. What's happening, lol? These guys are just weird, you know? They create weird images and stuff. Oh, I lost. Okay. This is so fucking cool. Okay, let's add the engine. How was Iffy that fast with the spam? Must have a macro. I trust that TK would do the right thing. Okay, bro. We need the end. This end part here. We have that already. Do we? Yes. So, wait a minute. Okay, so we need that end part. And this is where we have to calculate the end position. Now, I'm gonna hardcode this. So that would be... Oof, let's think. Is the bar position on X plus half the size and then plus an additional 3 pixels, because the bar, this thing itself is 6 pixels wide, right? 6 pixels tall, wide. Yes, so 6 pixels here. And we need to decide between 2 things. And then, of course, bar position.y. And then we, in the rendering options, we need to decide between the animation index whether this is 0 or 1. So we need to ask ourselves, is the enemy.stats.hp%, is that less than 1? Then I want to display index 1, otherwise index 0. So that essentially displays me... Wait, if it's less than 1, then I need to display... Yeah, I need to display the empty thing. If it's 100%... Actually... If it is 100%... Then I want to display... Like these 2... I don't know, nipples or something. These 2 things. Actual HP divided by max HP is percentage. Yeah, so I keep track of the percentage of the HP every frame. And so I can just reference this here. I know this will be calculated for the next frame. So I can just use this here, which is nice. Guys, stop throwing the accusation on Cakez that he's a yoinker. He's just obsessed with balloons. No, I just want to make a good game, bro. That's different. Let's see. So now we should have the end part. Wait a minute. Is that 100? Is it really percentage?
Gotcha, bitch.
Aha. It's never 100. So wait a minute. What about this? Fuck, man. But, huh? What is the HP percent here? What?
Guys, stop throwing the accusation on Cakez that he is a yoinker. He just wants to make a good game.
Now all we need to add is a really cool image of the boss to the left. And for that we can just take a really cool picture of him in a rouge, and that's it. Let's see.
And that is obviously by inspiring himself completely by balloons.
No, you're wrong. Taking a look at good games and then taking what they do good and doing it in the same way is how you can learn to make a better game. People accusing of yoinking are not programmers, Lamar. Yeah, so who is not a programmer? Cakez is not a programmer. Ify is not a programmer. Rico is not a programmer. Azenris for sure is not a programmer. Hello Cupertino, good morning, bro.
CK0:300 Cakez CK0:300 Cakez.
Games is plural, you pirate yoinkware just balloons. That's wrong, I don't pirate yoinkware anything. I just take a look at good games.
CK300:600 KK.
Shut the fuck up, man. Get a better welcome message, bro. This one sucks ass. It's annoying. I was gone for a few months. Is there a new demo yet? Oh, Eklebeth, you were. Welcome back, bro. I'm working on one at the moment, and right now we're working on an HP bar for this boss right here. And so let's say I'm killing him a bit, you know, I'm attacking him. I'm doing no damage, but essentially I'm working on dealing damage to him. Let's see, can we do some really good damage? No, he's gonna die, I see. Shit. Yeah, well, there's mechanics to the game, essentially. So there's a split mechanic like in raids for World of Warcraft, where the more units you have in a circle, the less damage they take together. You see this? But of course, he also burns them, and so they die, which means I do need a healer. And of course, this golem, it's a fire dude, right? He doesn't take any damage, so we need healing. Let's get some healing here. You need to have healing. You need to have healing. You need to heal really quickly. And then these guys can get some... Oh, wow, look at this. If I pause the game, it continuously... Goodness! What's going on? Should I leave this in? Or should I remove it? I mean, this is because the game's paused and the timer for shaking the game, you know, doesn't get reduced. Goodness. I think I'm gonna leave it for now. It's actually kind of funny, yeah. Yeah. Boom. Let's see. Why don't they deal any damage? Come on. One second. One second. TCAP, before you joined, the first letter of the sentence, it was earlier, but today people giggled. What? I can't see. Like, do they deal damage to him? Are they killing him? They're dealing damage? Are you guys dealing damage? 70 damage? Are you killing him? You're dealing some deeps? He didn't even lose 1%. Come on, guys. Stop slacking. Let's give him some, like, real big deeps. This guy here. Oh, yeah. He's frozen now. Let's do some more mages. Come on, more. I need more money. Let's cheat a bit. I need to get, like, at least a percentage. Come on. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, gosh. Wait a minute. I forgot to change the HP percentage to the actual percentage for the boss. So that would be enemy dot stats dot HP percent. There we go. That's it. Games is plural. I'm just gonna quickly check on YouTube because sometimes top chat and live chat are just fucking with you. Okay, looking good. Yes. Didn't you put a fixed health bar onto the boss? Oh wow, he's actually taking a lot of damage. Wow. Look at this. Damn.
Gotcha, bitch.
So what do you think about the size of this? Peter Nissen, thank you very much for following. And Mr. 2121 or 2112. Wow. So this is essentially the mechanic of this boss. You're gonna have a group here that takes damage, and I'll probably also add in a minimum amount of damage they take, or maybe not, but I definitely have to buff this ability, I think. It's above gameplay a bit, yes. So this is what I need to work on next. I want to move these UI fields out of the way. I might actually remove this here as well, the enemy counter, or put it somewhere else, because I want this HP bar to always be visible. HP bar above the boss? No, I don't want to put it above the boss. I want to put it in the middle here. Because it's the most important thing when you're fighting a boss. But it shouldn't be in the way, so it needs to be up here. Cakez, are you gonna let the player know this is the boss on the map selection screen? Because there's no fun in just losing because you didn't know about the mechanic. It's kind of wasting the player's time. I see what you mean there, Mr. Collector of Stuff, and you're right. But you won't be wasting your time, because as you're playing the game, you will... First and foremost, the more rounds you beat in a level, the more levels your units get. So even if you don't beat the level, you will get something. Okay? So you will have progressed some levels on your units. Number one. And as you level up, or as you get towards the boss, there will be... Oh man, that looks so fucking cool. I just can't believe how awesome this looks, man. Look at this, guys. So this, by the way, this is an advanced targeting technique where I always want to target this guy if I can. This is unlocked using meta progression. God, that's so cool. Man, that's so fucking cool. And I can disable and enable this using right click. Anyways, and as you get towards this boss, as you farm up in the rounds, you're going to encounter monsters that drop gold coins. And these gold coins can... What is it called? Come on. These gold coins are used to progress using meta progression or to upgrade your town, make your town a bit stronger. So for example, what I'm thinking of doing is have some basic meta progression enabled when you first encounter, let's say, some sort old Giza wizard that is in the library. You have to unlock him by playing missions. And so you find him in a mission, you free him, you help him, and then he's unlocked in the town. And once he's in the town, you can unlock tiers of meta progression using gold, essentially. And the same for the blacksmith. The blacksmith allows you to change essentially these items to the right here. So you can exchange, let's say, the first set of bows and crossbows with a different set of bows and crossbows that have different effects. And the reason why I want to add this in later, first I'm gonna just keep it fixed, is to allow, how do you call that? To allow for different builds, essentially. To allow different builds. Otherwise you can't really build your characters. You can, right? You have like 6 choices tier 1, and then another 6 choices tier 2, and another 6 choices tier 3, and another 6 choices tier 4. So that's like, how much is this? 6 times 4? That is 24 items, essentially. You can choose, how many can you choose? 8 out of 24 items. Yeah. Which software did you use to create your sprites? Oh yeah, I got asked that earlier. It's this one right here. It's called A-Sprite. AZ-Sprite. I think I have a tutorial for that too, yeah. Good resources for pixel art. Oh no, actually that's good resources for pixel art. So you can buy this software on Steam. I think it costs about 10 to 15 euros or dollars. Or if you want to, you can try to build it yourself. You just Google A-Sprite build yourself. It is a drawn out process and really difficult to follow, but you can essentially get it for free. So I built it myself using C++ build systems. And it's all explained in these tutorials. And then you can just use it for free. But you can also spend like 5 hours on this and not get anything out of it, because it takes 5 minutes to build. Yeah, it doesn't take long. It does take long to build for a C++ project, in my opinion. But if you're not able to follow the steps correctly, you get a bunch of errors. And then what do? You know, that's a big problem. often, like, I get a lot of comments. I have a tutorial about this on YouTube, and I get like 1 comment every 2 weeks that says I couldn't follow the tutorial. And that's just because it's not easy. Guys, I need to check on Zoe really quickly. She's crying. The health bar looks good, but yes, it's going to drive me insane if he leaves the left end like that for the next 2 months. No, I won't. Like, we're gonna add in this now. Like, let's take this, right? Guys, I need to check on Zoe. By the way, we only need 16. Also here. We don't need to animate this. We just need 1. I just noticed. Where do we put this? To the left, huh? Maybe here's some space. What I want to do is have at most, like this much. Let's see here. Can't really see anything. Yeah, and then we're just gonna draw a circle or something like that, you know, a cool looking circle. I think it looks like trash. We're gonna make it look like nice roots. What do you guys think about this? Zoe, stop. Stop moving. Stop moving. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Cakez farming viewers. Zoe will invent the next programming language with this much experience. Good. Yeah. So what we have here is kind of a terrible looking roots get thing ish. Yeah, I mean, why not try, right? Let's try. No offense, but your daughter looks like Chris Wilson. She doesn't have any hair, man. She lost all of her hair. But it's slowly growing back, really slowly. It's like she looks like an old man. I know. Bro, like, I don't know what to do. It is how it is, you know? Alright, now we need to do this shading thing. And now, Zoe, you need to hold control for me, okay? Hold control. Press it. Keep it pressed. No, you need to keep it pressed, bro. Okay, we got it. Alright, and then we can move these two. She's rocking the haircut, yeah. True. Alright, now let's put some like bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, what? What do you want? Looks good. What do you mean? It's looking awesome. Stop complaining. Okay. Got it? Oh. Mm-hmm. Maybe like that. Like this one looks maybe nice here, like this. What do you guys think? No, you don't start crying now. Okay? I'm not done yet. I need to work on this first, okay? So? No crying. No, no crying. No. Mm-mm. Okay, now a little bit of highlight too. What was the highlight color again? This color here. Okay, you need to hold Alt. Wait. Normal, simple ink. And hold Alt. There we go. Okay, don't fall down. Don't fall down. Mm-mm. Stop it. Stop it. Zoe, I need to release this demo version. Don't you understand? They will make fun of me if I don't. They will tell me, I told you so. We need to release it, okay? It's really important. Ah, that looks like... Ah, that looks bad. Maybe this. Mm-hmm. Shit. Stop laughing! Are you gonna name the final boss Zoe? I already have a name. It's called Rocky. Because it's a rock, you know. Was machst du da? Trottel. Oh man. Zoe the Destroyer. Okay, so now we need some of these lovely whatever these called, leaves. Oh shit. I wanted to copy them. Alright. 1. Shh. Shh. What is this guy doing? Sending a clown emoji first. Huh? On your first message. You wanna get banned, bro? Shake the bar when the boss takes damage. Yeah, we're gonna do that for sure. Because we learned that from Cakez game. Oh, actually, I can't put anything in here. So I gotta put it here somewhere. Shh. Stop it. Is Cakez one with the B game? Yeah, Cakez is the one with the B game, exactly. Okay. Guys, she's fucking drooling, man. Stop drooling! I mean, she is effing drooling, of course. Effing. Copy this. I like that one. There's some green pubes on those balls. Nice. Green pubes. Green pubes? What is a green pube? Okay, I need you to hold Alt really quickly, okay? There we go. Now copy that. So that we have this for the next time. Okay, where do we put this leaf? This one looks good here. Stop laughing. Why are you laughing so much, Zoe? I can't put the same leaf here twice. Maybe like that, though. And then we just move that in a bit. Here, yeah. She's laughing at chat? True, yeah. She must be. Okay, I think this is fine. I mean, we can like add something like this as well. But I think that's about it. Alright, so now that we have this thing, we call this the portrait. Actually, we can't have this thing here. We will call this the portrait. The HP bar portrait thing. What are you doing? Stop laughing. Goodness. Okay. Let's see. Now, how do I code this in one hand? Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Yoink, Shift Y. Wait, no, that's Shift Y and then Shift P. And then HP bar. Guys, how do I spell portrait? How do I spell portrait? Stop laughing, said the loving father. Yeah. How do I spell portrait? And Mr. Shade 11 needs a ban. Portrait. You guys are so portrait. Thank you, Ramis. Wow, there's actually only one message in chat. That's actually helpful. I said it first. Oh, you did. Yeah, 2 messages. Thank you. Portrait. Thank you. Okay, so now we need to shift yoink. And we need to go back. Stop. Stop it. Okay. Shift yoink, shift P, and then delete a word. Guys, this is the power of Vim. V-I-W? Paste. Do you see this guy programming with one hand? Like a gigachat? This is the power of Vim. Guys, I saw a video yesterday, it was recommended to me by Mr. Primogen, saying that you shouldn't use Vim for that particular reason, but he obviously didn't say in the title, because then you wouldn't click on the video, right? So, what is the reason why someone shouldn't use Vim? What is the reason? Have you guys seen that video, and can you tell me? Now, I assume that the reason for why that is because you're just using the basic Vim motion commands, and you're not doing anything special. Because VS Code is better than Vim? No, but you can use Vim motions in VS Code, because Emacs is not better than Vim. Y shift Y, just YY, weird dude. They have been kicked in the head by a horse. If they have been kicked by... What the fuck is that message, Idente? Because you should not use Vim anytime. No, I have to say sometimes the Vim motions, especially switching between insert mode and edit mode, is really annoying. But that's because I always switch between those two modes. Okay, so Mr. TCAP, you're lucky that you're a mod, but oh, it's from Goldbill. How about we delete this message from this guy and it never existed? Good. Right, let's see, where is this in the thing here? It is on 1152 and 176. 1152. You know what's funny? I'm trying to work here, you know, taking care of a baby at the same time. And my wife is in the other room, fucking watching a Netflix series. Wow. Just wow. 176. 176. You have to be a dad for 6. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut your... Close your mouth, B. What about all the times she was taking care of the baby while you were busy doing reacts? You know, that's kind of part, you know, of like me trying to get work as a streamer, you know, like, so that's like kind of working, you know, I would say, you know, kind of working, you know, I have to say, you know, like, you know, trying my best and stuff, you know, poor Cake's wife, 2 babies in the house, cringe. No, that's not cringe, you know, that is not cringe. You know, I don't see that like, can you move? Oh shit, I pressed F. Hopefully nothing bad happened. All right, guys. So now, Shift V. Actually, we don't need... Do we yoink this? Yeah, we yoink this. And then we paste this. Cakes, get a baby carrier that you can strap onto yourself so you can freely use both hands. Cakes, yeah, so we have one of these, but she's not allowed to sit like in front yet. So she can only sit to yourself, and whenever she does, in like the way she is right now, where she's really awake, she basically just does this the entire time. Like this, the entire time. And then he's like, and then like this again. Like, she doesn't stop. Like, literally, she never stops. Because she's stupid, you know? I don't know what it is. But yeah. So, yeah, get a normal baby then. Yeah, I mean... yeah. Kinda know, I know what you mean. So guys, I think we have the portrait in here now. Without the animation index, we need to get rid of this. You're good at defective one, upgrade her baby, upgrade her at the baby store, yeah. So it's really difficult to deal with this, you know, because... we can't really hold her towards us. So all we can do really is hold her in front. Until she, I don't know what age she needs to reach, like what size. I think she needs to be able to sit on her own then you can do this. It's funny how she's sitting right now. She's like poof, having both hands on the desk, like she's gonna eat something. Divorce incoming. You know? Okay, let's see here. We should have it in the game now, right? Why is it not displayed? Maybe because I didn't update the atlas and export it. Oh, wait. Ooh, guys, look at this. Huh? Maybe it's a bit big. What do you guys think? Should I make a portrait now? To test? Want the PC monitor mess up her eyes? So, like, I don't know. To be honest. I hope not. It blocks half the map. Yeah, I'm working on it, brother. I'm working on the UI after I finish the bar. You Dumbo. I said that earlier, but you never listen. Stupid idiots. That's crazy. So which one do we use? Guys, which image is cooler? This one? Or this one? I think this one is cool, right? This one here. Okay, so you say 1 and 2. Yeah, that works. They are exactly the same. How are they exactly the same? This one is from the side, this one is literally looking at you. I think I'm gonna take this. For now. What is this? 17 by 17. Copy that. And then I'm just gonna move this behind this frame here. Shift N. Oh, she's quiet, not quiet. Oh wow, that's small. The one side one might work if you flip the H. Gesundheit. Goodness. Gesundheit. Let's see. Let's try more. I need to make it bigger. 20 by 20. Maybe. Did you draw all this cool stuff? Or yeah, mostly I did draw all of this. What I didn't draw is this. I did animate it. Actually, it's animated. It's already animated. Anyway, so I didn't draw this. Ninx drew this for me. And I did not draw this big guy right here. Holden my groin drew this for me. And yeah, the rest, I think I drew everything else. There might be some other parts I didn't draw. Yeah, like, oh yeah, right. So this dog I didn't draw. This was made by I'm Emo, as far as I know. Let's see here. No. I don't want to say something wrong. And then people call me out on it. It's in was it resources? Yeah, it's in I'm Emo. Oh wow, you also drew a really cool image like that as well. Sorry about that, bro. I didn't see that. And then we have one here, Big Bone Dragon. Oh wait, Big Bone Dog. I didn't see that. Sorry about that, bro. Heretic. I actually didn't see this. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna check this out later. Yeah, this was done by Emo too, and then I drew this guy out of it. Make a baby just to divorce, so the baby grows up in a broken home. Nice. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. No, the wife wants to break from the babysitting all day. And now she even has to take care of Zoe's. Okay, what was I doing? I got distracted.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, my man. Titian, thank you very much for following, bro. Welcome, sir. I got distracted. I was working... Oh, yeah, on the portrait. Right. Here. Layer 17. And then where's this thing? Here. Does this work? That's already better. Man, you need a lot. It's funny how quiet she is. Okay, so what size do we need? We need like from here. We need 25 by 21, 22. 25 by 21 or something like that. Okay. All right. She's enjoying the coding ASMR. Yes. But we're not coding. I don't know what you're saying, bro. We are not coding, actually. We're just doing pixel art. So we need 25. Okay. And then 23, 21, like that. Okay, copy that. We are in the wrong layer. We need to be in sprites to copy this. And then we need to switch over to layer 17. Bro, you're usually coding. I just arrived. That's true. Yeah. Today we are making a boss HP bar though. And so we're not really coding much, but we're doing a lot of visual UI stuff. What do you guys think? Like this? Or do I move it down a bit so we can see it? I think this is good. So that would be a good picture here. And then over the roots here, I want to draw like some root connections. Like that. And then like this, I guess. Though, guys, I need to go to the bathroom. That's not a... It's not good. Zoe, I need you to hold Alt. Thank you. It looks kind of odd here. Okay. Now, and then for the portrait in layer 17, what I want to do is essentially get rid of this and kind of build a selection circle. I guess I'll just do this. And then G, continuous, everything. I want this to be dark. Or do we do a different background? What do you guys think? Because the HP bar will be dark too, right? So we could, for example, we could do red. Or like a bright red. Right? Hey, Cakez, I have to step away for an hour. I haven't seen your reaction to the shot, especially the audio. So there's any chance you waiting to watch till I get back? Yeah, I'm like waiting till I get rid of Zoe. You know? I think it should be darker color. Yeah, I'm gonna give Zoe back to my wife. Get rid of me. I'm pretty sure it's better now. I'm gonna try a bright color. Let's just try, right? What it looks like in game. I don't think bright works. Yeah, you're right. I don't think it works. Okay, give me a second. All right. The baby's gone. And we can continue. I have an idea. I like this, but it doesn't really fit, right? Let's test one more color. The dark red. Which, you know, would be the same color as the HP bar. Maybe the really dark red. Oh, actually there's 2 left. The baby is gone, rip baby. The baby is gone. I don't like the combination of this strange potato heroes and this nice looking boss. You don't like the combination of the potato heroes and the cool looking boss. You think the boss is too cool and the potato heroes are too bad. I see what you mean. I can get behind that, yeah. I get it. Let me see here. Let's move this quickly. Because I want to test something. Wait. Let's move this. What I wanted to do is outline this by a bright color. What would be a good contrast here? Maybe that? Right, and then we move this back in, and then we do G, and obviously give it this dark. Excuse me. Give it this dark, ominous thing. No, I don't think this outline works. But now we have a color that we can change. What do you guys think? Light blue fit the boss color. And so every single boss will have a different... excuse me. Excuse me. Annoying as hell. Let's put this here. Try a purple color? Yeah, we can try different colors. Cool. Now that looks like roots there. And then we're gonna do this. The background makes it stick out enough. Also, I think this looks flat. So, looks cool, yeah? Yeah, we're almost there, I think. Yeah, I mean, it is how it is right now. Cakez, you realize it will take 30 minutes to lose to this boss? Is that to make it harder to refund? I mean, because he's so slow? Wait, how long did this guy walk towards the exit today? Is that actually half an hour? Did it take him... Wait, is that real? Did I make it so that it takes him... I mean, he's supposed to be slow, you know? But maybe he is a little bit too slow now. I don't think it's half an hour, bro. 3 minutes seems a bit better. Alright, let's try a different thing here. And also, maybe we can move this thing in a bit.
Gotcha, bitch!
Bro, thank you very much for following. Sir. Wait a minute, that looks bad. Oh no, I did the same thing again. Okay, wait, sorry about this. What's the game engine used? We are using C++ for this. Hey, Snow, Synth Moon on YouTube. Hello there, sir. Yeah, the Tangies make your game look like it's animated, aimed at children. Well, so I do have an idea for the tangerines to make it more bloody. So essentially, we talked about this earlier, right? And we have a green version of this somewhere here. So as the tangerines take more damage, they don't turn green, right? Because I can't really do that. But they are getting cracks on them. However, it doesn't really work with items. So if a unit has this item, let's say I draw a crack onto this item, it doesn't really work. So for example, I need a defender here. This guy, I give him a bunch of money, and then you see like he has binoculars and then a shield, and then let's say this helmet. So what I can't figure out is how to draw cracks on this. Overthinking with this? Yeah, maybe I am. Maybe it's just people in chat trying to derail me. Can just draw a few black lines. Yeah, but the point is that I draw blood. It needs to be bloody. Make portrait animated? Like idle moving up and down, kinda? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Too much work and too little outcome for this. Would be cool, but no. We're not doing this. It would be a waste of time. However, we need to, let's say, what about this? Maybe that's cool. Maybe not. Maybe yeah. Let's just use this. So, yeah, that's it. Essentially. Maybe here make this a bit... Yeah, that looks like ass. Maybe like that, it's fine. The contrast, I think the color is similar to the roots, what would work best. Similar to the root. I don't have a color similar to roots. I mean, maybe red would be better. Fine, we can try a bunch more, but I think I tried red already. Yeah. It doesn't, maybe a bit darker. Yeah, I don't know. You guys think red is better? This is good. What do you guys think? This? Darker is good. I mean, we could also, like, we could do something really cool. Yes? Take a look at this. We can do this here. Right? Then maybe it works. Watch this. We are going to create a gradient of a transparent color. Like this. Wait, make it a bit more. Let's start here, maybe. I mean, well, It doesn't really add much, maybe a bit, but yeah. Let's keep it on for now. It is how it is. It's fine. Maybe we can do Control U. And then just change the hue to red. Oh wow, that looks cool. What do you guys think about this? I mean, these things are polished, and I think the bar has bigger issues than the background color of the portrait. For example, Code and Agree. What do you think the issues are on the bar? And Gabriel Hand and Bigorna, thank you guys for following. Too much brown? It's not brown. Excuse me, it's red. Main issue is positioning. I think it covers a lot of the... Oh yeah, no. So here's what we're gonna do. Let me create another... essentially another batch of units. So they can withstand his attacks. Okay, so that should be enough. Okay. This will be... This is the HP bar, right? It will be on position 20. Let's test. Is this high enough or does it need to be lower? We can even do 18. Let's test 18. Maybe even 16. Eh? Bro. Are you stupid? Put it on... Did it move? Huh? Did I just blink? Haha. Okay. And then let's mark this as A and then in-game... Oh, wait. Display. Display... Stats... No, how do you call this? Level stats? No. Oh, shit. What is it called again? I have one section where I draw all of these together. And it's something called in-game or display. Or is it called overlay? Level settings? Oh, I always forget that. In-game? Oh, man. Fine. We go to update level. I think I saw that code in game CPP. Check. Shut the fuck up. The overlap with the heroes a bit confusing. What if you put it on the left top corner? No, it will be at the top corner. It will be in top, and then these things will be to the left and to the right. Wait. Unlock. Locked rendering. And then in the level. In level UI, it's here somewhere. Draw UI. Targeting with right mouse. Hero list. See, I told you, it's like some weird ass name. Display level info. Draw level. So it's called display. I basically gave myself a million hints, but I can never remember this. Position. So 120. Let's move this over to 20. So now that we have this, right? Let's see. Seeds, spawn count. Position X, skull. Okay, so here's the seeds. We move over by 40. This is when we have to move over by 120 or something. So we get to the right. It's not enough. 200. We need to get to here. Not enough. 230. 20. Oh my god, still more. Okay. 240, and then instead of 40 here, we do 36 or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now in the game. This is what it will... I think the HP bar is a bit too big, you guys. We need to make it a bit smaller. It does look kind of cool. I agree with you. So wait a minute. We have right now 128, right? Oops, 128. No! Stop it! Okay, so 128. If I divide that by 4, does that work? Yeah, it does. So what about 112? Does it work too? It does. So what I want to draw now on this bar is this. Like, it needs to be in a correct position. Oh man, that's difficult. Is it 28? So essentially I want to do something like this. Not over this, but I guess let's do it like this. Let's first do it in white. And yeah, this is kind of taken from Bloons too, but I think that's awesome. Essentially something like this. That I can put... How much is this? Okay, cool. Ah, fuck. It's 7 big again. Fine, we need to position it correctly. Where do I put this? Do I have some space here? We have. Let's put it here. The Godot editor is built in C++. Yeah, you can, if you want to, go to the Godot... not Discord. It's not Discord.
Gotcha, bitch!
It's not Discord. GitHub. You can go to the Godot GitHub and basically do a fork. Repository, yeah. GitHub. HP bar separator. So what I want to do now is every 25% I want to add in one of these separators. And then obviously make the bar a bit smaller. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 2. And then this is 96. And the size of this is 6 by 16. Now we have a separator. And then, oh yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, so, oh god. Yeah. So we have the left side, do we? Const float left is this thing here, right? Wait. It is bar size, wait. Bar position on X minus half with a size. That's left. So we can do, call it bar left. Left side of the bar. Okay. So now that's the HP bar. Bar left. And then we need to go and draw on top of the roots this separator. Essentially, we need to draw a sprite. Separator from the left plus 0.25 times HP, wait, no, times the bar size on X, and then on the bar position of X dot Y. Let's test this. And obviously this needs to be... Huh? Oh, I see. This needs to be a point F. And then this is UI, change layer by... Oops. 1. There we go, like this. Docs are very nice. That's true. Search sucks in Godot, but the docs are very nice. So I'm not worrying about the searching because I can write code to change anything. Bar should stay like this. Do not change it. I would make it even bigger, like in Dead Cells. You think you would make it even bigger? I think it's a bit big. Let's see here. And then we do this, of course, 3 more times. We do it at 50% and at 75%. So this is what it would look like. Now we can just edit this thing to be something cool, maybe. I don't know. Ah, fuck, it doesn't work. What is this? What does this look like? I mean... It's not obvious enough. You want separator using the same color? We'll see. Maybe not. We'll see. You know what, guys? I have to quickly move the bar down so that we can see it without the boss moving all the time. Scripting being visual like blueprints, GD script. WTV is good to be used as a glue in exception cases. For systemic stuff, I prefer native. You focus too much on numbers in the engine and too little on the actual game dev MO. Which one is Cakez? What do you mean by numbers? I don't focus on numbers, I don't think so. What do you mean by numbers? White with black outline are fine. Back, did I miss anything good? No, we're gonna look at your shot in a second. I'm currently doing the final touches to the HP bar and then we can call it a day. What about this? I think it doesn't fit, you know, guys? It needs to bleed into it. And then I think I want this to be a different color. Maybe orange? Or bright red green. No, that doesn't work. What about the dark red? This is subtle. This is subtle. See this? No one will notice. The point is that I'm also drawing something like this. Watch. Watch here. So we are also drawing this. In smaller, of course. It's totally not taken from balloons, you know? I just love this, you know, I love game development. Looks like a key now. No yoinking here. I mean, it is how it is, you know. It is how it is. I think people can notice this, right? What if I just do this then? What if I do this? Yeah. So I think that's better. And now obviously those skulls... don't I have a small skull? Somewhere? Icon skull maybe? Maybe this? I think I have one that's smaller. Hey? I do have one. Here. Look at this. Is this the icon skull? Is it? This is not 10, this is 11. Well, actually, I'm gonna do 12 by 12, so it's in the middle. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah. Wait, that's not here. This actually needs to be... does it? -1? I think -1. That's correct. And then for the skull, it's gotta be +1. Separator, separator. Let's try -1 first. The reason why I'm doing -1... Oh, fuck, now it's on top, huh? That sucks. But at least it's on the skull now here, so... I will make a smaller skull for that, but let's try... 12. Scale. It has to be the normal scale, because the game gets scaled at the very end. If I use different scalings... For pixel art, it's gonna look odd. Yeah, so that's definitely too big, but this is essentially the bar that I want to have. Maybe I can have a smaller skull. Let's see, is it possible to have this scaled even smaller? Can you do that? Eh? Can you make this even smaller? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that actually works. Look at this, guys. That's even smaller. 9 by 9. I'm gonna make one really quickly. Icons. Oops. We do 10 by 10. Where are you? 832. And then 128. Okay. There we go. Actually looks more evil. Yeah, it kinda, right? Alright, then we're gonna use the small skull. Which lib or API do you use for your game? Which lib or API do you use for your game? Which lib or API do you use for your game? Which lib or API do you use for your game? I use OpenGL and C++ and STB image and FreeType. No need to spam, there's a 40-minute delay. That's not true. Soon to be Vulcan. Maybe. I have an idea. Oops. We're doing it like this. I don't like how far below the bar these icons are, so I'm just gonna draw them on top. There it is, guys. There it is. And so what I can do now is... Now, obviously, I can do this in a loop, right? I know I can do this in a loop. It's fine. There's no need to do it in a loop right now. It's okay. What if we do 1, 1, 2? I like that a bit better. I wonder how easy it is to do another game with this engine, or is it really tightly coupled? Doing another game with my engine is essentially just deleting everything that's in the C++ file of the game and then all of the data that's in the header file for the game. So basically you have to clean out 2 files. You have to clean out the C++ file here, all of it that's in here, apart from... Let's move this a bit. Apart from update game. So update game has to stay. This has to stay. And then this has to stay too, this first if check. And then everything up from here, this can be replaced. Everything here that can just be replaced. This will also be removed. This is bad. But yeah, let's just not take a look at this. Yeah, this is so bad. This is bad. But yeah, so and then everything else here, the code, all of this code here. Goodbye. It's up to you how to do it. The entire fixed time step can also be removed. Doesn't matter. Yeah. And then in game.h, you also need to remove everything here. So like this is game specific, right? Apart from the game state. Oh god, what is this, guys? We're not listening to this. The game state needs to exist, and this boolean needs to exist, and this boolean too. And then maybe the debug data, but everything else... Maybe the times here. And then this one as well, the function pointer to iterate over files. But you don't really need this anymore. Solo self-found, my man, thank you very much for following. Tried to make huge just to see how it looks. Tried to make it huge. Yeah, sure, we can. I don't know, we need to have something that's divisible by 16 though. 16. To 56. I mean, it's just gonna be huge. It does look kind of cool, I have to say, when it's so big, you know. Damn. That looks sexy. Too much UI? More? Yeah, of course. I mean, this is definitely too much. And we need to remove the bar at the bottom here too. But I'm very happy. We got an HP bar done today. And this is what it looks like. Why is this not behind the dude though? This bow? You see this? Oh. So the HP bar needs to kind of like... It's not gonna... Wait, it's not gonna interfere with this, of course. I think it's following conventions of similar games. Following, true. Good point is to hide the in-game UI when the menu is open. And then it was it 16, guys? You're right, 16. Character as one of orange. How do you place characters behind the bar? You mean behind this bar? You can't. You can only place them like right next to the bar, like here. But then it's selecting a different thing, so you can't really... Here, that's where you can place them. Behind the bar you're working on. Very nice. Okay, wait. Let me get rid of the tag time here. It's kind of annoying right now. I'll keep this for now, because I want to debug this off stream. I think the healers are attacking too often. Yeah, so this is the boss. Uh-oh. Heal. The boss bar. This is what we did today. And then I want to add in something happening on these percentages, of course. I want to make him crumble and then spawn a bunch of ads. And as we add more bosses later on in the game, there will be more cool stuff that happens whenever, you know, this guy reaches. And also, we can do HP. I'll have to think about how I want to do it. Maybe just draw it on top. Phases, yeah, phases. So essentially, this boss spawns again, but has more life. And maybe more abilities as he's higher level. Stuff like that too, yeah. Exactly. So the first boss is gonna have, let's say, one mechanic. Could draw HP when you hover the boss with the mouse. No, I think it needs to show. I think it's cool when you show this. So essentially, let's do that really quickly. To see how that looks. Let's do that below this, behind the separators though. So that's the HP text. That would just be draw format UI text. That would be a percentage, let's see here. Percentage D slash percentage D. On, let's see, bar position. Let's first put it on the bar position, and then that would be font size of 0.5, I think, and material. Dot material, and that would be color palette 03. So one of the red colors. And then, of course, I think I want it to be outlined. Eh? Oh. No, wait. Like this. Maybe outline. We'll have to see though. So this is the text. Of course. Wow, it doesn't look too bad, surprisingly. Actually looks okay. It actually looks okay. So we can do left, bar left, and then bar position.y plus 2. Plus 1. What if we do 2? Oh, we don't have to. Of course. Give me a second. I need to add color number 2 in, because we don't have that. Color number 2 is essentially just a copy of this color here. Index number 2. And these are the RGB values. We can copy them from here. So 107. And then the next one is... hello? The next one is 38. And then this one is 67. There we go. And then we can use number 2. Oh, they're actually dying. Holy shit. I need one more dude. That was close. They're dying. Hey, heal! Let's do 2. What does that look like? So it's kind of faint, right? What do you guys think? I could also do this, by the way. It could be between the bar and the roots. So the roots are on top. Right, so this is the HP. Wait a minute. Bar. Then the text. And then the roots. So the roots would be here. Cakes between portrait and first skull below bar? No, because the HP could be much higher. This is using some weird number, by the way. This is a format text and I'm not supplying anything here. So it's using something from the stack, by the way. I'm surprised that it even works. It needs to be... Oh my god. It needs to be... Get current HP. And then get max HP. And then HP slash max HP. There we go. This is... Oh wow, what did I do? Divided by 0? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? What are you using? What app are you using, Cakes? This here, right here, that I'm using to program, that's Visual Studio Code, bro. We're gonna have GTA 6.
Just wait, bro, okay? So I made an entire animated, cool looking, chunked, with HP, boss HP bar today. With an icon in the boss HP bar, okay? An entire HP bar in one day.
In 3 hours. 3.5 hours. And I got interrupted by my baby. Just saying. I'm just saying. Super Savage, thank you very much for following. What happened to the bot?
Gotcha, bitch.
I toggled the notification pause, okay.
Gotcha, bitch.
But why is this not working? And also, if it's really like that, then... If the text is 1... minus 1, so then the roots need to be 2. Minus 2. And then the separators are on top of the roots, right? So that would be 3. Shit. And then this will be 1 and -1. There we go. Wow. Minus? Of course. Percentage D. I'm a stupid idiot. Of course. It is a percentage point 0F. It's a float, guys. HP is a float in my game. So we have 4,600 left out of 20,150. Let's get some money. Let's kill this guy. Look, I deal 1 damage to him. Can we kill him? Come on. Kill him! Oh god, I need way more. Come on! Kill this guy. There we go, he's gonna die here. Awesome. Awesome. I love it. This is what I was hoping. You can't really tell the damage numbers, can you? I need to work on those again. They look like ass. Yeah. Cool. And then it just continues. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, that is awesome. That looked really good. Now we just need to work on these UI elements. I don't know where to place them. Because ultimately what the problem is now, if I select one unit, they're kinda on top of each other. Or I just keep them... Guys, what do you think? Should I keep these UI elements in the position here, but I'm just going to draw them on top of this upgrade menu? It would look really bad, but it would work. What do you guys think? Looks bad, right? Cakez promised us the Tangy demo by the end of the year. Bottom left. No, they can't be on the bottom. It's really important that they are not on the bottom. Don't you need the total you have since you spent them? I would bump the upgrade menu down below it. So yeah, you can... Oh yeah, that's another boss. We have an issue right now. The bar is kind of broken. Shit. We have a problem. It doesn't show the bar. Why not? Because the bar is here. I see. Let's test if this works. Maybe I can just do the checks and HP together. Okay, so we have the issue that the text doesn't show its outline. So the text needs to be on top. What if we move the upgrade menu down by 60 pixels or so? So now the text is in the bar. But it's also behind those... Let's take some inspiration, you know? Why should we take some inspiration? Oh, the HP bar is on top of this bar. And then it shows the stars, the level of the unit on top as well. Ha! That's a little bit annoying, isn't it? I just noticed who exchanged that noted emote with the balloons noted emote. Yoink. That's such a good idea, right? Ach so, Mr. Superco war das. Okay. I got an idea. What if you put the HP above the bar? You mean align it to the right? On top of the bar? I mean... It's not patented. It's too high. How? You stupid? Looks good, right? Well, I can always change it. You're so clever. Yeah, I came up with the idea. And I think it's a good position, you know. Like balloons, you like tangerines. The game is perfect to you because this is balloons with tangerines. That's not true, bro. Listen, so... while yes, this HP bar is heavily inspired by balloons, number one, it is made out of roots. And it is not uncommon to have separators in HP bars. I just happen to find or like the fact that balloons has very nice separators here that allow you to, like, it's a separation of 25%, and then you can do some really cool mechanics at every step of 25%, you know? And you can script this towards each boss, which is really cool as well. And having an HP bar in a game at the very top is not something new. Exactly like Bloons invented HP bars. Now, I did take a lot of inspiration from Bloons, of course, with the separators and, well, not so much with the portrait, but with the HP position. But think about it, you know? Why not copy certain UI positions from a game that works? Why is the website, and you know, this actually exists, what is it? Game UI or something? A Game UI database? It's this one, right? So can we even, probably doesn't exist, right, Bloons? Of course it doesn't exist, because this website is trash. But it essentially has UI for all of the big games. So for example, Witcher 3. And so you can just take a look at the different positionings for UI elements. So for example, if you wanted to know, okay, well, what can I do in a loading screen? You just take a look at these. Very interesting. And why is this here? Why does this exist? Well, because why would you invent something yourself and have the pitfalls for something as meaningless as UI in your game that is to be expected of a certain standard compared to other games that doesn't really affect gameplay? So why not make your life easier by just stealing or getting inspired by other types of games? Bloons 36 interface in game. Oh, so there's a different website too. So this one right here, it's called Interface in Game Bloons 36. Hello, Technotrolling. Good morning. Welcome. Why is it not loading? Bro, are you... Anyways, so yeah, that's the thing. And there's one more thing I wanted to talk about today.